want to come out and make sure we do our due diligence. Because a lot of times the insurance will miss basic stuff. So we want to get the HVAC, right? I always get all four sections. And what I'm looking for is I'll look for any hail indentations, right? We'll actually come in, they can comb and straighten those. Insurance will pay for that.
Okay.
And then I check up here, see if there's any indentations. See that. Again, like, see this right here? Maybe. We'll see. It's all about documentation. Let's see this right here. Okay. This video pass off the matter. Yeah. It's all about that. And then when we have solar, we always want to make sure that we get solar system. So he's got the in phase. Okay. And your boys, like, you know, this is all replaced. This is new. They're not going to give us anything here. You actually, it looks like they already replaced this. So we'll head around to the other side. Oh, boy.